Don't y'all just hate it when your garbage disposal goes out on you? Well, if that's so, let's go ahead on and get to fixing it. That's the humming sound that we do not want to hear. That little red button at the bottom of the garbage disposal is the reset button. Let's push it in and see if that solves the problem. Turn on the water and then turn on the garbage disposal. No, that did not solve the problem. So let's go to solution number 2. This is called an Allen wrench. There is a small hole at the bottom of the garbage disposal next to the reset button. You're going to take the Allen wrench and stick it in that hole and wiggle it around until you can turn it from left and right, as you're seeing here. We're going to loosen that up, whatever's caught or stuck in there. We're trying to get the grinders to move around. Now let's try this again. Turn on the water, and then let's turn on the garbage disposal. Okay, so we're back in business. As you can hear, it's working. I'm going to throw a couple of pieces of ice cubes down the drain so that you can actually hear that it's working. If you're new to my channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you're notified when I upload my next video.